In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Vizio TV is lagging or it's very slow to operate. If you're going through the menus and every time you press the button, it takes just a slight second to change, it could be very frustrating. So let me show you how to get rid of this problem. The easiest thing to do in this, when you have this, is to simply go and unplug your TV, even if it's turned on, unplug it from the wall socket. So remove it. Wait around 5 minutes, and while it's unplugged, go ahead and press the power button that is often located under the TV on the left side. So maybe it's here, maybe yours is in the middle or on the right side, but press on it during 30 seconds. Then remove your finger, plug back your television, and hopefully when you start it again, it will work and you won't have any issues this time. If this didn't work, the other option will be to make sure that you have the last update on your Vizio TV, because again, this could cause an issue. Press the settings button, select admin and privacy, go down, select check for updates. It will take a few minutes, and if there's an update, it will start installing it. It takes again maybe 5 minutes to do so, and after doing this, your TV should run much smoother. If all these things didn't help at all, I suggest a factory reset. Unfortunately, it will delete all your accounts from this TV, but your TV will be basically like new, like, without lags. So press the settings button on your remote control if you want to do a factory reset. Go down, select all settings, select admin and privacy, and select reset to factory settings. Select reset TV. It takes 2-3 minutes and your TV will be completely resetted. Hopefully you won't have any lag, it won't be slow, and you'll still be able to use it after, and you'll be able to use it in a better way afterwards. So this is it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other tricks, please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.